Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a welcome email in Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account and find the Automations section. From there, you'll select Classic Automations and then Welcome New Subscribers. This is your starting point for building a warm introduction for new contacts. Remember to pick the correct audience and give your automation a clear, descriptive name. Now, let's design your welcome email. Mailchimp offers many templates, or you can begin with a blank canvas. Personalize the content with your brand's unique voice, colors, and logo. Make sure to include engaging visuals and a compelling call to action. This could be a button leading to your latest blog post or a special offer, encouraging new subscribers to take their next step. To make your welcome email truly impactful, focus on content and personalization. Use merge tags like *fname* to address subscribers by their first name, creating an immediate connection. Clearly introduce your brand's mission and what value they will receive. Consider offering an exclusive incentive, perhaps a 10% discount on their first purchase, to encourage engagement right away. Before going live, thoroughly review your welcome email. Double-check the sender's name, email address, and the subject line to ensure clarity and professionalism. Always send a test email to yourself to verify that all links work correctly and the formatting looks perfect across different devices. Once you are completely satisfied, activate your automation, and new subscribers will begin receiving your warm welcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.